together, two souls who have weathered a storm. Sometimes it seems that the way we got here isn't on. But it's Saturday, off to the west as a cloud. Sit here beside you, inside me, my heart I feel proud. Streak of light that lights up the night far away. The weatherman said we should expect rain here today. The thunder explodes and the winds quickly turn to a howl. I feel nature's teardrops gently land on my brow. And you cuddle closer and press yourself under my arm. Seems that you need me to be your shelter from the storm. With the winds and the rains and the sound on the old window pane. It's Saturday night, let's just walk out in the rain. In the rain. Walk out in the rain, in the rain, Newfoundland rain. Step off the back porch and place her feet onto the ground. Feet so at home in this paradise here that we've found. We'll walk down the back lane, holding our love hand in hand. Yeah. Saturday night, let's just walk out in the rain. In the rain, let's just walk out in the rain. In the rain, Newfoundland rain. Back at the old home, it's time to get ready for bed. Thoughts of this paradise